Broadcast. Okay. I thought something else was disappearing. Okay. I thought something else was disappearing.
Well, that's a relief.
What? Okay. I thought something. There's ghosts in my PC.
It's the ghost in the machine.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Eh la la. I want.
Yo, all I see is your face. I don't know if that's what you're trying to do. It is.
Probably not. Did I just share a random screen?
I just see your V face.
Yeah.
VC.
One sec. I don't know why. There, that's normal now. Wait, why do you see that? Wrong screen.
No, no. Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, you should not. You should not be able to see it. There, that's the main screen. Trying to finish my config. There it is. Damn it. That's so complicated. That's. Hello?
Hello, who is it?
No, me.
Oh, hey, how's it going? What's up?
You. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we're good to go. Damn it. It was complicated. I had to reinstall Lobby Streamlab.
You just went on your computer and it was gone?
Yeah. It's not the first time something like this happened in Windows. Like, sometime when Windows 2 updates, it decides, I don't want this software. I don't want this software. Be gone. Like, I'm your PC. Why I will tell you what I'm doing? You know?
Kid? Nope. Yeah. I don't know, man. It seems like
Right,
your
kid?
computer
My
has
hand are not
microphone.
detect somehow. I don't know why.
Yo, we can't hear you, Kid Nerve, if you're speaking.
Why my hand don't work?
Why my hands don't work? They jerking around, but they don't work. Throw it to
Yeah,
the
we are on
ground.
stream too.
These hands.
Okay, no hand today, I guess.
Aww.
Oh my god, I'm tired of those. People make good quality software or not do it. Okay. Let's go. Open Word. Damn it. Oh yeah, sure. Introduction. Okay. Hello Twitter. Hello YouTube. Hello Twitch. Hello Discord. Sorry. My Windows
Hello,
is...
Denevraut.
Oh my god, you're loud.
Hello,
One
Ultra
sec.
Lord.
Hello, Kid Nerve.
What's happening with my headset? Damn it. I'm sorry. Everything is messed up. We'll put some music. It'll calm me down. DMCA free, whatever. Oh, that's horrible. Okay, better than nothing. Okay, sorry, everything is breaking today. Hello, kid, sorry.
That's alright.
I don't know why Discord is louder than usual. Okay, so sorry.
Alright.
Yeah, Discord is louder somehow. Sorry for the feedback, I'm just hearing myself. Okay, so sorry. Oh, I'm loud too. Something's wrong. Okay, you know what? That's fine. Could just one of you check the stream if everything is right? It's hard for me to check it myself. I will send you a link. There. Okay. So hello everyone. I'm Denevraut from Somnium Space Community. I'm an expert in having bugs on my PC. So every Sunday I do creative content around Somnium Space, and since a month I'm creating for the open world project I made for Somnium Space. The idea is to provide free feature for anyone that want to work with words then by themselves, and that include working inside other engine or OS like OMG or EWU. The tutorial asks us today to work with custom properties, and I will maybe also like to work with custom UI. So let's create a folder, project 4. Sorry, I know the dog is gonna annoy me in a few minutes. It did not take minutes, it's already. Hey, come here. Be gone. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. You know what it is. You close the door, you want to enter. You close the door, you want to quit. Non-stop. Okay, so project 4, I don't know the name yet. I'm just gonna install and go inside it. New scene. So the stream is good, you guys?
Yep. YouTube's good. Checking Twitch now.
Thank you.
They look and sound good.
We are golden.
Scene. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, we always like to have a floor first, a plane. Of course, it's spawned at random place, even if the scene is new. We have a material, wood, no, ugly ties. That's all. I don't know where it's coming from, man. Is it coming from Unity or where is it coming from? It's in VR, yeah. I guess they love ugly ties. Okay. No call, open world, project 4. So, custom properties. Let's start by organizing our stuff here. I like to have separation. What is this music? Anyway. It's like lame jazz.
That's redundant.
I know. Every stream I complain I never made more effort to find better free music. Oh la la. Okay. Sorry. Hello to the stream of sweetness coding. Okay. Let's just do an uploader. Like I always say, I use my Incrediword uploader just because it's fast to develop in a stream of 2 hours. No, sorry. But for you, you won't need that. There. I'm gonna use my 72 space, I guess, whatever. Cool. Okay, now I can create my script. This is really starting to annoy me. Why objects spawn at a random place? I'm sure there's something somewhere I can change. I'm gonna complain to GPT another time. Okay.
One thing I figured out you could do is if you have an object sitting at 000 and hit F to move your viewpoint to look at it, that objects added at that point will end up at the 000.
Okay. So I guess it must be related to the view origin, or no, maybe not really, something else, because you see the origin is myself.
Yes.
So
like the direction it's pointed, and
I don't know.
I saw somewhere like if you close the scene window and reopen it, it will re-zero everything, and then you add things.
This is very annoying.
But it is annoying.
It's completely useless. Sorry.
But I could see you could make the argument the other way around, where I'd be more. What's more annoying if you go to play something and your camera's at 2000 and it drops.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
0.
I don't know.
Imagine.
Yes, you're right.
You just keep dropping shit into your scene, and it's back at the 000. So
yeah, but
I'll take it.
Look at where it is. Why there? Why not recasting with what I'm looking at least? You know? There is nowhere. There's no reason it's there. I guess it's better than nothing. Okay, let's start working. Stop complaining. Okay.
I wonder if you could do a script that would, when a hierarchy changes, it takes whatever the new element is and slaps it to 000, and you could turn that on and off with a bool.
You know what? You know my opinion on this. If the logic is not perfect, it's gonna be even more annoying.
Yep.
Yeah, that's my opinion on automation. You either way make it perfect or don't do it.
I
You
mean,
know?
how can you make it completely perfect?
I mean, if it's 90% good, it's
Yeah,
fine.
80-20, yeah.
But if it's 60% good, no, don't do automation.
Yeah.
You know? I could tell you 1,000 examples of automation or AI, and it's always the same problem. Like, they decide for you, and like half of the time it's a bad decision. So what's the point?
Yeah.
It's just making you more angry. One of the solution is semi-automatic
Don't
behavior.
even start on that.
Oh yeah, sorry. It's another redundant subject.
Yes.
So I'm just very fast. Semi-automatic is always the best. So if you're not sure if your automation is gonna be good, at least ask the user, "Do you want me to do that?" No, thank you.
You want me to
You're
do
so
that
used.
every single time forever. No.
I'm a very enthusiast coder. I don't accept like annoying code, even for myself. Okay, let's go. Code. Embedded, even if I always say not to do, I'm gonna regret it. Who care? Okay, so on key something. Oh, we are going to do something related to custom properties. So I'm probably gonna go check code I already made to save time. Include words. I don't use it anymore, but it's still useful. Custom properties. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain what it is. So in Photon based game or Somnium Space Word, both, there's one way of sending kind of states between players in multiplayer. Okay, let me put it simpler. So if you want to send information that anyone could read when they want in a game, there's no read. The only possible. Damn it! It's hard to explain. Okay, let's go with something more concrete. So let's say I open a door. Okay, the door is open, but right now with Photon, I don't have a way to. I mean, I could do a multiplayer object to that, but okay, let's say I lose a life, okay? Then everyone lose one life. And I don't have a way to send a message to everyone so that they can read right now. In Photon, we don't have access to this logic in Somnium Space Word. So what we found is called custom properties. It's just a way to store information that anyone can read anytime. It's like, imagine it like just a file that you edit, then it's slowly updated for every player and they can read the file. They edit the file at their turn and then it's updated for everyone else. It's not a perfect way of sending information because they could have conflict. Two person edited at the same time could result in some weird behavior, but it's fine. For what we want to do, I guess it's gonna be fine. So you cannot change or read. You cannot write too fast to this file. Let's call it the shared. How we call it? A shared file.
A shared resource?
No, it's more information.
Yep.
It's not like a messenger that you text someone and you receive it, because it's more like the mail. You need to go check if there is new mails, you know?
Got it. Yep.
But
good
at the
point.
same time, it's only one file that everyone changed, so it's not really like mail. So it's like a shared folder in Google Drive, if you could say. So it's not meant to be edited too fast. So what my recommendation is to at the maximum edit it once or twice a second, maximum. Then yeah, let's just go with it. You will understand. Or if you don't understand, it's fine. Just use it. That's one of my way of thinking. Okay, so let's go to incredible words here. Oh look, I'm making a test area for all my features.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, I needed that.
Oh, very clever idea.
So I can test stuff. So if someone tell me something is broken and you come here and it's still broken, it's my fault. So I give you proof of that something is my fault. Good, right?
Wow, yeah.
So I have very old code. Custom properties. I'm sure there is something somewhere. Custom properties sync. Okay. Set custom properties. Controller custom properties. Don't just ignore what I'm doing here. It's good for you. I'm talking to the listener, maybe not necessarily people on Discord. Where are you? Oh, there. Oh, that's what I need. Uh-huh. We have a set here. We need a get now.
I think it's there on
Get.
update.
Okay,
Yes.
so we have the get custom properties. Good. We have the set custom properties. Good too. And let's start with that. Oh, I cannot. Oh, right. I can't copy here and paste on the other Unity, right?
I don't think you can.
No, I will be surprised.
I've
I will
never
be surprised
done
Bolt
that.
is that advanced. Okay, let's just export this file. Wherever it is. Export.
That is a feature I do miss greatly from using Unreal Engine. You can cut and paste.
Yeah, I really
notes.
rarely do this. So, but still, you're right. I will just export the file, I think. What's happening here? What the? Okay, weird. Now I don't need this anymore. I don't know why I do that here. My PC is drunk or something. It's a fresh Windows from few weeks. It's so annoying. Oh, of course he's gonna complain because he don't have this in his. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. So I need get current room, custom properties, this, and I need this, and that's pretty much it. All the rest I don't care. Let's save this code here because I'm gonna regret it. Whoa. We got a power loss, but for 0.1 second. Where was I? Local. Open Word. Project 4. Properties. It's an sometimes words in French and English have reverse letters, so it's hard to remember because of that. Okay, so we have a set and we have a get here, and it's some kind of dictionary that is inside. Hash table. Yeah, let's use hash table if we have access to it. We don't. Tool, bolt, unit option, wizard. Next.
Super important step.
Yeah,
One of the
hash.
Yeah, and we want to make sure that it's the hash table that is photon hash.
Wait, you think?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Ah,
Isn't it like exit games or something?
do you see it? Oh, I need to import the...
The photon stuff. Yes, this took me forever to realize why
Interesting.
my hash table was
I guess
not working.
I guess I was knowing it, but I don't remember.
Um,
Photon Internet Work, baby.
And if you want to double check that, if you go to Somnium Space, the Somnium
Still
Space
don't see it.
guide.
Of course, I will go read the article I made. Why
Yes.
not?
Somnium Space guide. If you go into the World SDK and then
I can also type use the
Photon
thing
custom
no one
property.
probably never used.
I use it all the
Notice.
time, bro.
We use it all the time.
No, I mean the search option.
Yeah, I
Oh.
use it a lot.
I don't need the search option anymore.
So,
I've practically got this thing
Photon,
memorized.
Photon real time.
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at this. I wonder who made this. Hash table. By the way, all this doc will be migrated in the future into Somnium Space documentation.
Radical.
That's awesome, man.
Where was I? Why is this twice?
It's just not. One is the assemblies you have to add, and one is the types you have to add.
No, it's... Oh. My god, I see double. Okay, photon... Okay, let's just copy that. I'm not gonna... Photon networking. Photon real time. Photon Unity 3D. Hash table. For people that don't know, hash table is a very special type of list. It's pretty similar to dictionary if you know it. It's a special list where each item have an association of a key and a variable, let's say. And the key is normally unique. The key is unique in an hash table. So the key is normally a string. You can use something else. You will see what I'm doing. I should have copied the hash table. Okay, so in Photon custom properties, it's very weird, but you need to create the hash table every time you need to send information. It's not because you send an hash table with one element that the custom properties will be one element. So this is more add custom properties than the set. I have no idea if it makes sense, but let's suppose for now. Add dictionary item. Let's go with that. Hope it's gonna work. Boom, 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 boom. And then we will read it with some other key. I don't know, alpha 0, there. We will need to be in-game to do that. I cannot really test it in Unity here, because you need to have a network for that, and we don't here. So I'm probably gonna use a Text Mesh Pro instead. Yes. What, damn it. Okay, 3D object, Text Mesh Pro. It's very weird. It's a 3D object, but it's still a rect transform. Null TMP TMP Text Mesh Pro. It's nice to know what type of short of what you need to search here. you know what I mean. Like if you type TMP, you cannot make mistake, but if you skip letters, it will get it. But if I just type A, of course, I won't find a lot of stuff, you know? I mean in the search here. Like if I type A, there will be just too much stuff. Like if I want the Text Mesh Pro UGUI, I would just type UGUI because I know nothing else is called like this, or pretty much nothing else. Just a tricks like this.
There's a whole art form into figuring out your best fuzzy logic.
Like game object, I can type GO. Get object variable. Can I do gov? Nope. Get object variable. Why is it not working? Oh yeah, because it's a type.
Yeah.
Sorry, but I guess you got my point. Get object variable.
So there's a
Oh, it
very
worked.
important thing. So there's
Get
also a very
scene
important
variable.
thing to know about this, that what it will show up in the list there is only what is able to be connected to your connection point. So in other words, this happened to me the first several months I was trying to figure this stuff out. Was, I'd pull off from a input node and try to find something, and I could not find it. Well, come to find out, because that node doesn't have an input or a execution order input, it would not pull that up as an option to select.
To avoid this, I just right click instead. If you click on an arrow or an input or an output and try to search for something, it may not be there depending on what you want to do, like Kid said. Like if you click on an arrow, only nodes with a flow will work.
So if you try to do a get variable that way, it won't give you that as an option.
Yeah. So for the getting, I'm gonna just read everything inside it. No, it's environment. Okay, I don't have it. That's weird, but for making new lines in Bolt, you cannot use the classical way. If you know what I mean. Classical way is to do this. \n for new line, but somehow Bolt don't recognize this. It sees it as pure text. So we need something different. I'm gonna use environment. It's not there. Environment and system. With environment, you can get the new line character. I know it's lame, but that's the only way. Maybe there is other way to make new lines. I don't know. Could ask GPT. Environment, but new line. There. So what I'm gonna do, I just want to create a text. I need to make sure I can read it. That's maybe too big. 18? Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna just have one variable, but we can see multiple one. Normally there should not be more, but I don't know what my alt script do. But in an empty word, I think this is empty. Maybe, is it? I don't. But we will read the custom properties of the word. Of the. They call it room in Photon, but let's say it's your word. Yeah, your word have its own custom properties, and we will read them. A lot of people said you should not read custom properties on an avatar because it creates weird problems. Is it still the case, Ultralord? Let's say yes.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah. What do you mean creating custom properties on avatars?
Using avatar custom properties because they have it somehow, character or whatever. There's two types of
properties.
What?
Player custom properties?
Yes, player custom properties.
Yeah, I've never used those, but I've been curious about them because
I hear from Artifact that it can create very, very weird bugs.
Oh. I guess I won't use those.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna stay with the room custom properties for now. If you're courageous, maybe you can find a way to work with player one because it could be very interesting for life, for example. since you could say, okay, just the player can edit it, the other can only read. That could be interesting.
That would be.
And then if you attack someone, the attack event could be on your player for another player. Like one reader, one writer. That could be fine. Okay, so sorry, set graph variable. We create a new graph. It's an empty text. I don't care the name. Sorry, laughing off myself. That's so bad. Maybe when I will be 90 years old, I will be able to click at the right place every time. You know, experience. I don't know why. I've been working with pointer position in Unity, and I realized something. There is a special mode. Did you ever realize that the cursor have a delay in Unity? Sorry, in Somnium Space. Where's my Somnium
No.
Space? Oh, it's closed. So somehow there is a delay between when you move your mouse and the pointer moving in Somnium Space. There's multiple reasons for this. I'm guessing this Unity version is just old, but you could tell Unity, don't render the cursor, render it from an hardware point of view, if you see what I mean. So the cursor will be rendered with no delay, but the cursor will be seen with delay in the game. So you may think you click somewhere, but there is this small delay, you will click somewhere else, you know? And this can create confusion. I think that's why I'm always clicking at the wrong place in Unity, because I go maybe too fast. And I see my cursor there, but maybe it's here in fact. You see what I mean?
True. That makes sense.
So you can enable this in Unity game, but the problem is, is it better to see what you really click, or is it better to have a more responsive mouse and click somewhere else? You see what I mean? It's an hard question.
I do. That is.
If you have like 150 Hz, you won't see this, but somehow at 60 Hz, there's some 1, 2, or 3 frame delay on the mouse. And in some cases, it can be worse somehow. I don't know why. Maybe my computer have a problem, but sorry, noise. I have a coffee on my desk, but it's 1 day old. Dang it! And my coffee is empty.
Those
So
are
like,
rookie numbers, man.
Yeah.
one of the way to tell you have a delay in Somnium is to hover the bar here. When you hover the bar here, you know that you are on Windows side, and when you are inside the window, you are in the game. You will see. You will see the delay. Probably, I guess, even with 30 frame rate. Let me just go in. Oh yeah, doesn't matter. You see here my mouse?
Yeah. Huh. You see? Yeah, I don't have. Oh. Cool. Yeah, there is a delay.
But I mean, right now I'm in main world, so there's not a lot of frame rate. But if I go to Inquiry World, there will be a little more frame rate. The lower is the frame rate, the bigger is the delay, of course. I also think there is some kind of frame buffering that may make this worse, that we cannot disable in this old Unity version. I really don't know. Or maybe it's just normal and I should not complain, but I've played game like this. It's so annoying to play a shooter with few frame of delay with your mouse. You see the delay here? Yeah, enough. Of course, it's loading. So, oh, it's alright. Hello. Do you love the new loading area?
Yeah, bro, it's beautiful.
Okay, yeah, you can still see it on my window.
Yeah, the lag is even more now. Fascinating.
I have no idea how many frame there is of lag, but it's playable, you know. But you know, we love when it's instant.
Yeah.
If we disable, since this game is kind of light here, if I disable the VSync, I will have so many frame that the mouse will be at the right position, you know. But I
Okay.
won't. You love my style here, you trollard? Yo! Did I repair this bug? Just give me 1 sec. I need to check if I repair this bug. When I reload my word, like the arrow don't pop anymore. Yeah, the laser don't disappear. Let me check. Ah, it's repaired. Nice. Okay. I repaired it, but I did not remember I repaired it. Okay, that's our playground here. Okay. Oh wow. I got this texture on texture.com, texture.net. Let me find. It's quite impressive. Really look like rocks. Let me check. I send it to Somnium Space Discord. I think. Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Texture. I mean, I wonder we got lucky to get the website texture.com.
Yeah, no kidding.
Some domain.
Texture.com, yeah. Yeah, this thing. They are free and paid asset. They are very nice. Is it this one I got? I don't know. But they have normal maps, everything. You see here the free version. You can even have 4K. You don't need 4K. Normally 1K is plenty. I'm more and more using 1K texture because you know, when I realize then quality it's not that important. Yeah, your red light look nice here.
Thank you.
Oh wow, I can imagine a house modern with brick wall like this. Oh la la.
It is really nice.
Oh, this is one 4K texture. It's so pretty. Sorry. I'm an artist, okay? So I love to... When I was young, my brother said to me, you just play game for looking at texture everywhere. And I still thought I would be engineered, who know? Okay. Now I'm at the right place. Okay, so return to our... Get graph variable. I need to set and get at the same time. Okay, I get the text. I add to the text. Ah, no, wait, I need to... let's just use string compare. Sorry, string format. It's just way easier. So I need to add a line and the new line character. Plus the text, so I need 3. So first the text, secondly the new line, third this let's just use toString. This is the dictionary, hash table, hash map, hash table. How is it called? Hash table.
Hash table.
Let's just call it the list, okay? This is the list of multiplayer variables. Let's call them multiplayer variables. Okay, sorry. So, body for each element of the list. We will first... Okay, sorry about that. There. Oh, we also want the name. Why not? Is there a 4? No, there's no 4. Okay. I need 4 input, but I only have 3. So I'm gonna use that second one. Okay, so I want the name. Wait, why for each? dictionary. There. Now I can have the key too. Okay, so I'm building text, okay? So first I get key, that is the name of the variable, because it's a list of variable and each variable have a name. I get the name of the variable. Yes. Then I will just put it in those weird character. Square huggers. Then yeah, I need to do toString too. I don't know what type it is. It could be something else, but it's normally string. So I go there, here, there. Okay. Then I have my variable value that I put here. Sorry. This, that, that. Okay, so this is my variable name, variable value in text. Now I go to the other string format. I use this and I put there. Okay, so the new line character is 1, 0 is a previous text, and 2 is the new text. So normally, I guess, it should work, probably. What? Oh yeah, I need the Text Mesh Pro reference. There. When I play with ball, it reminds me when I have sticky hands and I'm cooking and there's stuff sticking everywhere. I don't know. My funniest moment is this. I'm trying to scale it and it move it.
Yes.
Like I did it 5 times. I tried everything. There's nothing to do. It's luck. You're like, okay, you see this arrow? It should be an arrow and an R. It should be stretch or moving with a dice. With a dice. Oh my god. Don't we have fun here?
Oh,
Yeah.
most definitely.
Okay, so what I just sorry. So I'm gonna create a variable name called I don't know. Popsicle. I tried to be original, okay? Don't don't judge. And the name is gonna be Dog.
Yes.
I hate popsicle. It's so annoying. I hate all those fake taste, you know, chemical taste thingies with sugar. Like I hate that.
I think you're probably the only one. Maybe.
I guess. It's like lifesaver. You know those little
Yes.
candies? I hate those. When I eat those things, I'm like, this was a waste of calories. Like I could have eaten chocolate.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Very
Yeah.
good point. I'm back on your side now.
Chocolate is love.
Like, do you
Chocolate is
prefer
love.
eating 100 grams of bad sugar or 10 grams of good sugar? Or 1 kilogram of pure sugar?
I think kilogram of pure sugar.
No,
Like,
I think I know sugar is drug, but I don't think anyone will eat pure sugar. Not that I never did. Of course. Okay, of course I was not even realizing I was uploading, so I guess it's here now. Where's the uploading window? It's gone. I'm guessing I press OK without even realizing it.
Oh, there it is. There's a little
Where's the Text Mesh Pro? You see it?
right there. Yeah, but it's like in
Oh,
the
okay, I
center,
had
it's
to
white.
press space. Okay, got it. So, oh, it was white, got it.
That works.
So I press. Okay, I said numpad 0, but
Is it numpad 0?
I said numpad 0 to press, but Okay, there may be some problems. So space, let's use up arrows instead. I know this one work. Up. No, not page up. You? Look at this list. Let's use P. There. No, that's insane. That's obscene.
Say obscene?
Obscene. I don't know in
Obscene.
English, but
Yeah, it's obscene. PP.
let's you. There, you. Yeah, it's a new item I made. You press PP and you can drink water.
That's obscene. Yeah.
Those are null, I'm pretty sure. Current room, I'm pretty sure. This I'm not 100% sure. Hash table. We can do add instead. I'm really not sure about this. What? What's this? Oh my god. Hash table? What is this add? Okay, there. I know this one will work at least. Popsicle. Dot. And I put the hash table here. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so we have you and let's have fun. Let's use J. Like my name. Oh, I'm working on a system for automatically reload space when they are updated.
Nice.
Press play. Sorry, it's not. It's now it's U and J. It disappeared. If it disappeared, it means it's empty. Any idea, guys?
No.
Could be
Any
my
sort of
call
thing?
that's wrong. Okay, I create a new text.
Yep.
Custom property gets, it's a hash table, dictionary, key value, blah blah blah.
This is get. Okay. Yep.
They are supposed to update automatically, so I don't have other operation to do.
Gotcha.
To string blah blah blah. I'm just gonna, I don't know.
And then for each, it's getting.
I could check if there is any errors, of course.
So what I've started doing to test some of this out in editor ahead of time, with some success, is creating a scene property dictionary, and then using a is editor to determine doing something in world versus in editor, and then
wait.
flipping it out there.
Room properties update success. That's not from me. I
Ah,
do hate what that. I do hate when this happened. Look at this.
Yep.
What useless using of.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever. Okay. You see why we don't need you see why you won't
Updated.
you see why you won't update it 100 times per second. So it's the reading that's bad in this case. Get custom properties.
So didn't you already upload the properties on the Sun Space Guide? And I tried it and it works.
Yeah, I must just have put. Oh right, you think I have a demo already?
Yeah, you already have the
Oh,
custom
good to know.
properties done.
It must be something different. Text? Oh, you know what? I'm not setting the text. I'm just.
Oh,
We
yeah.
are three. Oh my god. What dumb triple guy we do. I know you were not listening. I'm joking.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
I'm fully comfortable with my mistake.
That's very mature.
Me too.
And then I take a knife and I knife my arm every time I do a mistake.
Yeah.
I'm joking. I mean, you kind of need to like to art yourself when you do programming, right?
Yeah, I feel
No.
like you have to be okay with not knowing
Yay!
everything.
Sorry.
Sometimes
Popsicle dog. It's a new type of
Popsicle
dog.
dog.
It's a new type of polar dog. Popsicle dog.
Oh, I don't see anything.
Okay. No, you need to
Wait.
press U and G. U and J.
U and J.
J. Just under
yeah.
it.
What does J
and
do?
J. And U and J. One is writing, the other is reading. So now we could replace dog by a random number. So we know it's working. Oh, and we can... Oh, that's good. That's gonna be our game, okay? It's a joke. I mean, it's like, you know, casino? First time I went there, I'm like, wait, I'm not gaming? It's just random.
Yes.
So how could it be a game? I know, sorry. Oh my god. I'm such a nerd. Okay. Random. Let's do a random int. It's just more beautiful to see. So 0 to 999. Easier to read. And you know it. Into string. We will call it read Jamon, right? No. Oh yeah. the bug prevent me to make a mistake.
Goodbye.
Good bug. Oh my god, I'm gonna make a NPC's dog that are called bugs.
Bog.
Nice.
Bugs. Good bug. Sometimes his head pops somewhere else, it come back.
It says popsicle.
Pop dog.
Popsicle dog.
Pop bug. Okay,
A
let's
popsicle?
load. Okay, the game is very
Little like a
simple.
puppy.
You press U, then it don't work. Oh yeah, you press U and then you press... Okay, U...
Oh, cool. Pressing U and.
Okay, U is update, J is for changing. Okay, so if I press U, press J.
Okay, U. Okay, press U.
I press U.
Okay, now I'm gonna press J. Nothing happened.
Okay, guess it's reverse.
Okay, I'm gonna press U and then you press J.
Yes,
Okay, I pressed U.
I press J.
I see 968.
Okay, that's something wrong. Where? Which one is it? I forgot.
It's the lower one.
Okay,
under
J is setting. U is... Why did I do that? J is setting. U is reading. Good. Let's go. I'm reading with U. You press J.
Okay, I'm gonna press J. Okay, now.
Okay, it worked. Can you spam J? Spam? Yeah, that worked.
What do you see?
It's changing. I mean, you can...
Okay.
Don't you see my screen?
Oh no, I'm looking at mine.
Oh, you
Okay,
have
I'm
one
gonna
screen,
press-
right?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna press J. Cool, it changed.
Oh
Okay,
my
how
god,
about
it's the
you press
number.
J? Will it change on mine?
Oh yeah.
Do you see? I see 210.
I see a lot of different numbers. Do you want to have... Okay, let's have some fun, okay? I have no idea what can go in a custom property. Let's
Good
let's
call.
put a vector. I'm gonna make a vector tree of 1, 2, random. So never mind the toString. Let's put the vector tree here and update. It may or may not work because it's a bolt. Remember, it's a hash table of. Okay, normal hash table can contain any type of object, but will it send it? I don't know. But since it's a special hash table made for Photon, it may work. We don't know. Okay, let's see here. It's here. Oh my god, it worked. I'm very surprised.
Nice.
Oh my god. So what could we send else?
Array.
Array. Well, yeah, I guess, but
That's what
yeah,
we
let's
were
try it.
trying to figure out how to do. It was
Array.
kicking our butts.
Array. Array or list?
List. List would be easier.
I love arrays. They are very efficient. I guess something tell me AOT list won't work because it's a bolt list.
Yep.
So what do
an
I do?
list?
iList? You know, we could do that. We could do those are very weird. The list literal, they are very weird because they are not a new. They are a list. This is a list that is stored. In fact, it's very weird.
Oh,
A, B, C, not your business. Okay, so but since I don't edit it, it should work. If you see what I mean. But if I add an element to the list and I think this is a new, I will just make it infinitely big. So you need to clear the list. But it may still be a good way to construct a list as long as you clear it after. Because this list is special, it have a type. You see what I mean?
I do.
And I think it may be more interesting than generic list like we usually do. I don't know. It could be an AOT list. I have no idea what it is. Because you know that how do you call this in C#? This here.
I don't know.
It's in most language when you specify a type of an object that normally you can. I'm gonna start talking. It's just too complicated. Is it upload? It's so fast I don't see it coming. Okay. It don't work, so it must be broken. I'm surprised. Oh, let's look at the logs. System collection generic. Write failed. Custom type not found. Okay, you don't like this one. Somehow. Is there a list that have been made by...
There is.
Maybe array will work.
Yeah.
Let's add array. Array is probably the most efficient list right now because of the way the data is stored. Normally in programming you want to avoid list because they are not very efficient in speed, but they are efficient for fast editing. The way they are stored. So I do array, create instance. Even the way you create it is weird. Create instance. I could do like, could I do vector tree? That would be fun. 10. And I give him to him? Give it to him? It's already nice that we can put one vector, but it would be even better if we can put a list of vector.
All the vectors.
Vector. Because if you have a list to array, it's gonna do this type here. This is the same type, so you can always do that. Sorry, rain lag.
So I'll drop this in the art and chill. It's the photon. So it's in the art and chill open chat. Photon engine reference serialization in Photon. And right there, Photon supported types.
Oh, nice. Right? Long byte array. Good. Hash table, dictionary. So hash table and dictionary work. I'm surprised. Oh, that's it?
Too.
Why does vector work?
Keep scrolling down.
Oh, additional type. What? Code vector 2, vector 3 player? That's weird. Okay, that's good to know. So I'm guessing an array of vector will work. Just having vector 3 and quaternion is already very nice.
Interestingly,
Short max value.
In the definition of dictionary, is that saying that it will only take arguments of object and object, or is it just saying you can give it anything?
I mean, as I see, you cannot have more than 65,000 elements.
Oh.
That's already a lot.
That is.
I mean, they say, oh, wait. Short at max value, normally it's 32,000 or 60,000, depending if it's signed or not. And here it's int at max value. So a byte array can be bigger. Interesting. Oh, is there a string? Yeah, string can have 65,000 character.
Wow.
What is kind of big. Okay, let's try this now. Did you try it, Ultralord? This means that it worked, in fact.
It did.
Because it's reading that when you do to string, not every object will print it like raw.
Okay.
That's good. Vector tree, an array of vector tree. That's very interesting. But we mostly will use string in fact, more than anything. Okay, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that you see how custom properties is in fact a list of variables. I think they are maybe independent, so it's not maybe one file, but some kind of. Sorry, my headset died. Come back. It's hello. Test. Okay, that's weird. Give me 1 sec. Okay. Okay, sorry, something got wrong. I have some interference issue with my headset, or maybe it's just old, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, vector tree. So now we need to remember we need to do something concrete now. We don't just play around. Yeah, okay, so let's make a read script. First of all, I think it's better to let me think. Let's make super unit first. Right? Let's make a super unit. So we could set multiple custom properties at the same time, but we could just do one for now. What am I hearing? That's weird. Somnium is here. When I hover the button, it makes sound. But it is still doing it. Can you explain me that? See what I mean? Hello? Oh, I don't hear you anymore. Sorry, something's wrong. Let me check Discord. Output device.
Not live, are we?
Okay, sorry. I read a bug. Now it should be working.
There we go. Now you're back.
Okay, can someone check the stream to see if it's still working?
Sure.
It should. Hello, Wilson.
Hello.
Long time no see.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm getting confused with YouTube and normal Discord channel. How are you
Yes.
doing?
So, name, and let's just put object there. Value. So I don't need this anymore. That's pretty much it. This set one variable. Let's save it now. Set. There. I think I prefer this. Set multiplayer variable instead. Local, open world, project 4. Sorry, it may be background noise. Multiplayer variable. There. And then we need another for getting it. I won't do that. Super unit. Oh, I just had an idea. Remember when I said we will use UI? So we will have buttons that will send the value to everyone. There. And we have 45 minutes left. Let's go. Okay, so let's suppose all the variable will have a string name. It's just gonna be simpler. I never know how to name them. Okay. There. Name. It can be embedded. That's good. Okay, so custom properties, get, hash table. There must be something to get. Contain. Try get value. That's good. And if it don't work, we will use no, it's not. Yes, that's what I want. Okay, if it worked, we will send the value. If it don't, we will send null. I love this
like
pattern. Oh. Up. Checked. Ta-da! Local in open word. Project 4. Get. Multiplayer variable. There. So, like I said, be careful with this. Not to trigger it too often. This, mostly the set need to be used with care. And I don't know if you hear me, but those buttons here, when I hover, it makes sound. And it still do it, even if it's Unity on front of it.
Fascinating.
Sorry, I'm stretching. Okay, now UI. I prefer Text Mesh Pro UI, it's just better. UI, Text Mesh Pro. Then I add UI, button. That's gonna be enough. I normally change the scale of the, first of all, canvas word space 0.01, like this. Now the size should be more reasonable. I move it to 0, 0, 0. Good. So this way the UI is there. 100 pixel width, 100 pixel height. I don't need this anymore. So we are gonna do a similar thing. First of all, I will make a script to continuously read the value. Let's say on enable coroutine, of course. Then we will do a while loop. Bool literal. We don't need the loop to end. Wait 4 seconds. We could go with 0.5. I guess that's fine. This I will not recommend to do that. I only do it because I still pull the value not too often. But if you have 10 items that pull the... maybe reading is not too bad. Let's keep it for the future problems, right? There.
Sure.
So get value... Oh, I was sure I checked this here. There. Here too. Name will be embedded. var1 now we won't have Text Mesh Pro anymore. Sorry, go there. Go anywhere. The reference, we need the Text Mesh Pro GUI. There. Okay, so again, GUI.text set. Let's suppose it's a text variable. So we won't do a cast. Sorry, I will just close my door. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, the button now. So every half of a second, the text is updated. Oh yeah, but if it's null, yeah, I need to make a null check because this is a dangerous code. If there is one error, the loop will die. So I prefer handling those problems. So let's go with not null. It should be enough. I could have used a fix update and put some other type of delays, but I don't like to use updates when it's not necessary. Okay, so we don't need that. Okay, the button now. It's not a Text Mesh Pro button. Button, Text Mesh Pro. Yes, that's better. Okay, so there's multiple ways of using buttons. There's in fact 2 main ways. I prefer the obvious one, so I will add a reference button. Button again. Button. Okay, Vault have built-in event for buttons. Events, UI. Where are you, UI? Am I blind or something? Yeah, on
No.
button click. There.
There you go.
So this is a built-in function. It won't work with, for example, this is still a button even if it has Text Mesh Pro button because the main script is still a button script. But if you use a drop-down, for example, the Text Mesh Pro drop-down is not a normal drop-down. So the built-in event of bolt won't work. But as long as your UI are simple, it's gonna work. Oh yeah, if I remember correctly, I need a collider. Let's just a cube and remove the UI, I think. Wow. You need to make sure the collider is the right size. Am I correct, Ultralord?
Yeah, I think so.
Did I forget other steps? My canvas have graphic recaster. Is it physic recaster or graphic recaster? You think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with that. Because I'm not using same UI, I'm using a custom one. That's why I'm not sure. I don't need gizmo. Okay, that should be working now. So again, I will set a random integer. Int to string. Of course, the name will be the same, var1. I think the only way to remove a variable in the custom properties is to set it to null or something. Okay, this should work in theory, maybe, probably.
Can you remove the entry?
Yeah, like I said, to remove it, you need to put it to null, if I'm correct.
Well, that was my question. Is instead of just setting it to null, can you
No, you can't.
do
Because
oh, okay.
when you get the custom properties, you
Yep.
kind of get a copy of them. And when you set,
Yes.
you don't need to set custom properties that you don't know that are there. It's very special.
Gotcha.
It's yeah, it's weird. When you set, it's kind of merging with the existing one, and when you get, you are copying. Okay, so I guess that's maybe maybe you're gonna work. Let's see.
Are you merging or overwriting?
I mean, you're merging, so what is there is gonna be overriding. But if you only set one custom properties, the old one will still be there.
Interesting. Okay.
Maybe custom properties are
Gotcha.
all independent. They're not necessarily all sent at the same time. I don't know. Okay, so it's updated.
I was treating it like you would a variable. In other words, if you just plain out set a variable.
Oh, it worked.
Interesting.
Of course it worked. Why will I have
Oh,
doubt?
I can see it change when you click on it.
That's great.
Okay, I'm gonna click on it. What do you see? Oh, it says, yeah, I'm gonna click on it. You see it change? 4
Yeah,
to 6?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
wow, that's awesome, bro.
It update twice a second, so that's the fastest you can go. Okay, so we have 30 minutes left. What will we do with this? We need to do something.
We could implement the score with that collection game so that it updates. Or
That's a good way. Good, let's go. Because since the collectible are not moving, I don't need photon photon
animator or transform
views.
Photon
Sorry, my God, I'm slow sometimes. So maybe I should merge or copy the other project. I don't know. Let's copy it. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, you know what? Sync.
I'm just thinking if everyone's playing it, wouldn't it like update? Like with the score?
The idea I had, when you collect something, they will all be receptive to the variable name of themselves, and if they are told collect, they will disappear, even if for everyone. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Ah.
Okay. Let's call it sync UI, and we will update the project tree. That's already enough. So sync UI. Oh, sorry. Project tree. Sync UI. I will upload it right now because I know I'm gonna be lazy on that. I have no idea where it is. Why did I put that? Some space, Word, open Word. Okay, it's not very far. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. I just need to go to Google Drive. I love how Google Drive integrates with Gitbook. Bum, 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 bum. Of course. Okay. Partage. Can you guess what this means? Open word. There. Oh no, it's Project 4. I'm dumb. Sorry, OCD. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Yes. We're
Okay,
still
sorry. I'm you know, the stress of
Yes.
dead microphone. Where is it? Okay. I don't know what happened, but Project 4 Sync UI. I must have exported it to a random place. There. Next. Okay, now we return to the project tree and we will call it project 3.5. No, never mind. There, project 5. Collectible sync. It's gonna overwrite everything if someone have the tree, but I don't know. Let's just continue like this. There. That's more understandable. Okay. I'm gonna do the things a little bit different because no, I should keep stuff simple. Sorry, I'm thinking. First of all, there is one problem. If everyone load this space, they will generate the object in random position. So they will all be unsynced. So what we need is some kind of way of generating only once. So we need to know who is the owner of the word right now, you know? In fact, if you remember, Seven Space Word are not host. I mean, they are not like virtualized on servers. As soon as there's one person, the server exists. As if there is no one, the word don't exist. So first person going in is the master. It have a little bit more managing to do, but it's fully transparent. You will never tell. So we need to know which one is this person with photon. I have some difficulty to get that, but we will try our best.
Could you so if we're coming in here and we're setting custom properties, could we just check to see if any custom properties are set, and then
We
make
could
the
have. I
assumption?
mean, yes, we could do that. So first, oh yeah, that's a way. Yeah, that's a good way. You read a master value, if it have never been set. But if the master quit, that's yeah, you know now you know. There is a way of doing this. Let me think.
Yeah, I had some really stupid system. Well, it worked, where every minute I would set a custom, not a custom property, but every minute I would set a photon animator view setting.
What am I missing? How do I get the room? Sorry.
That's okay. Is it just photon? Oh, just room? Oh yeah, you can't put in photon. You gotta just do
Current room.
Current room, yeah.
I don't have access to it. Okay, got it. What is the type? Room. Yes. Something must be missing. Oh no, it's there. Okay. Weird. So I think I will ask GPT to save some time. Let's have some experience. It's the first time yesterday that I asked him too much stuff.
What
Oh
happened?
really?
Yeah.
He's like, make your own damn video game. I'm
No, no,
busy.
he tell you you asked too much for 1 hour. They changed the price tag. Now it's $20 per month for the pro version.
Damn.
But I don't know how you.
Money, honey.
What?
Where's my money, honey?
With my money, bunny. Okay, and
Money.
I'm coding in Unity. Whoa, 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 whoa! Calm down. But photon pound through, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Yes, pun 2.
Um. My God, my grandma is faster. Okay. Master client.
Yo, what's up, real cyberpunk?
Hello.
Hey, Cyberpunk.
Cheers. How are you doing?
Fantastical, bro.
Oh, interesting.
How are you doing today?
Doing good too.
Good.
It's been a while.
True that, true that.
Photon network. Okay, now we are checking. Let's make a super unit. I want to call it Am I Master. Am I Master? Photon network is not there. Tool, bolt, unity option, next. Photon network. There, generate. Should be good now. Oh, I forgot what I was looking for. Local player and master client. Local player. Master client. Local player, master client. Good. So equal. Okay, I could put a branch inside. That's useful sometime. Input and we hide. output, and we hide. And what we, no, sorry, not good. True. Click there. True. Told you I told you it was sticky. Ah. There's like 6 nodes. How could it lag? Sorry. The anger is better outside than inside sometimes.
That's a good way.
But not on someone else.
Oh, okay.
Am I master? Where was I? Project 3.1. I master. I wonder if there is therapy for angry coders. Right?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so there is the thing. I could have the exact same code for getting the position of all the objects, but as an independent code for setting it. So we will, you will see. So first of all, okay, just we won't mind the logic of counting it. Something I need to reboot Unity for it to stop lag. Okay, if I'm the master, I will randomly create those. That's good.
Sorry.
On collect, yeah, maybe not. Yeah, of course, if someone collected, they will generate a new one, but only the master can do the first generation. I just got an idea. It may be fun. Okay, never mind. Oh yeah, I'm master. We are gonna generate one, and then it's the first person to collect it. You know.
I like it.
There. First one is it's right click, set mul. This is the new node we made. Okay, now it's very special. Let's keep it simple, okay? So we will create a random name for them, and it's gonna be their variable name. GameObject.name set random. I think the string format, I'm not sure. Into string. So again, 999. One and a 1,000 chance of collision. That's fine. We can live with that. When I say collision, it's like two names are identical.
Ah, gotcha. Thank you.
I should just say that. So the game object is this. Oh, it's so laggy. That's crazy. Oh, I know what. Somnium could be heavy sometime. I don't know. Okay, so I'm giving it a name. I guess it's just numbers. And set multiplayer variable. Okay, no. I need, we'll need a special, we cannot have lists, right?
We can't store a list specifically.
can't, right?
no.
It's only, it's only single type. Okay, so I will
can
create a
store-
dictionary instead.
An array. Weren't we able to store a relay?
No, an array is one type, so I cannot use array.
Okay.
So I will just
Gotcha.
create dictionary. It's laggy. Okay, let's. Damn it. Sorry, it doesn't look like, but it's lagging. So I'm gonna use a dictionary. So it's gonna be position. Oh, is it allowed to do that? You sent me a link sooner.
Yep, it's in the
let's-
chat.
Yeah, maybe we can just try it and it's gonna complain if it don't work. So position and live. I don't know, like if it have been collect. I can just tell it could just tell him it's null. Yeah, I could just do that. Okay, let's do that. Instead, I will. In fact, no, sorry. I have it here. There. So when we collect it, we could just put it to null, so it's gonna disappear. Okay, so that's creating one. Then we need the logic for now we remove that. Not the preview, the template. Yes. Okay, so unlockable player enter is still valid. Okay, I need the loop thingy like before, but faster. Or not. Let's keep it simple. Whoa. Calm down. Okay, I need a loop thingy. This. So that's not very efficient, but that's gonna work, okay? So we will loop to see if the variable still for the variable position. And since the name of the variable is the game object name, there. I'm just gonna start with whoops. Position set. Okay, that should be quite straightforward. So let's remove that logic for now. So it's gonna loop to get the variable of his own name. If he find it, he will set his own position to that. Don't like this logic. No, I don't like this logic. This is fine for detecting that it died, but for creating it, it's another problem. So I will do something different. Okay, so what we want to do is to know if there is new game, if there is new collectible that spawned, right?
True.
So maybe we will do something different. When I set the name, I'm gonna make a more complex name. Just numbers can be problematic. Format. You will understand in 1 second. Okay. Collectible and the number. Good. So now we can know that it's a collectible just by checking the name. And it's unlikely that you find another variable with this name. I wonder how many custom properties we can have. Okay, that's better already. We can use the start with and copy this. So we know that it's a custom property. Sorry, it's a collectible. Oh my god. I make so many mistakes when I talk. I want the loop we had before. That's not it. Is it here? The weird loop? Yay. Okay. So how this work? Every 0.5 second, we will read all the custom properties and check if there is any news. You see? We don't really have choice. So I need to keep track of what I have and what I read to update them. So I need to create a list of local instance. I know what you think. It starts to be very complicated, but I'm very trying here.
Yeah, man. So many times it.
Okay, I can just do a list of game object. Come on. Ah, it's gonna be what it's gonna be what it's gonna be. There.
I think I like it's gonna be what it's gonna be better than it is what it is. I don't know what it is that's different, but it.
I think
seems
both are
different to me.
compatible. It is what it is, and it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Collectible list. So now we will have a reference to them. Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's have a start. Oh, we have on enable. That's fine. There. Just gonna give him the game object. This is local, so I can put a game object, don't worry. Oh, I forgot to put comments, damn it. Too late. Later, another time, I don't know. Okay, that's good. Add to list. Should be good too. Okay, our first exercise is we want master to create it, and the other not master. The object should pop automatically and position itself. That's what we want. Oh, I have a better idea. I'm not gonna create it here. You will know why. I will unify the creation. There. This logic. Oh. We'll go here. Lagging. Request collectible creation. So I create the name first. Then I create a random position. Then I set a variable. And that's pretty much it. Now, I scan the list of custom properties that have start with this. Keys, value. Let's suppose they all are string for now, but it make, yeah, let's suppose this. Branch. Ah, it's lagging so much. This is a case when I need to restart Unity, but not now. Okay, so I'm checking the list. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check my local list here. Does it exist inside? It's more a dictionary than a list, but collectible, collection, dictionary, dictionary content key. Okay, I'm gonna make the comments after, don't worry. Scan all custom properties. Is it is it a collectible? Is it already created? If not, we will create it. So this is the creation logic. Set name. I don't know what this is, but I don't need it. Sorry, do you have background noise? It's good.
We do hear
Oh.
it.
I don't. I'm sorry. I will check if I can increase the noise reduction.
Not bad, but you asked. We can.
Oh wait. Let me try something. Microphone. I'm gonna use another one. There. Is it better?
Yes, it is.
Yes? Okay.
Yep, it is better.
Yeah, that's the microphone that go to the stream. It have the NVIDIA broadcast on it.
Ah.
It have AI noise reduction. Okay. So, oh, it's not a list. Wait, it's a list or a dictionary? No, it's no, it's not a list. That's way better to work with. Deb. There, that's better. Now I need to make sure I to rename all of them. Yeah. Okay. Is it already created? False. We add, whoops. Collection, dictionary, add. I prefer set item. It's just universal. Then add. Hmm? 15 minutes? Sorry. We'll finish this very fast. We won't finish today, by the way. But it's interesting, so we will continue next week. Set dictionary item. So we have the key. That is the key again. The value will be the game object, so not yet. Local position from the custom property value should be compatible. Then we set the name. The name is from the key. Then set active, very important, because my template is not active. And finally, I set the item with the game object. Okay. Well, create collectible. I say list, but a dictionary is kind of a list. Okay, so we have no idea if it's gonna work, but let's do it. And if it don't, too bad. If it, nice.
Thought you were gonna leave us with a cliffhanger. Tune in
Yes.
next week.
Yeah. Was trying. I mean, I did send something, so we are in advance, not late.
Gotcha.
I don't believe myself. So there. Oh, is it already? It's so fast. Damn it. Wait, what? I'm confused. Did I? Oh no, I just log in, I think. Sometimes I log in, I forgot. Oh my god. It's just when you do something like 100 times per day, you don't have memories anymore of it. It's like when I quit my office. I put my headset always somewhere random by accident. And then, where is my headset? Good. It should be good now. Okay. How can I know if something happened? I don't see errors, so that's good, I think. But where is the log? Ultralord? Anything? I should be the master normally. Check very fast. After I will stop.
Yo, I see it. See it. It says collected, but I don't see anything spawning. It just shows the...
No, that's normal. But normally, unenable collect quantity if master
I love the
true.
button pressing sound.
Set
So
multi.
soft.
Set multiplayer variable. That should be good. Unenable.
Remember the days when we could stand on each other in 2D? Those were some good times.
Yeah, I know.
Good times. Good times.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wrong. There were a bug, but I don't know if it's because of that. Normally, even the master use the same logic for creating it, because the master write to the custom properties, and he read to it like everyone. So it's a way of knowing the logic is working. Okay. Nope, nothing. Anything, Ultralord?
Loading it. Nothing.
Okay, that's
I'll
fine.
go.
I guess
Someone's
that's
coming.
fine. Next week. Okay, so I will
Tune
close
in
this.
next week.
Yes. Yes, here. So thank you very much for watching. Next week we'll continue this little project, and anytime you can go download the thing we did and try it in your Word, in your space, in your OMG Pocket Universe. Thank you. Bye bye.